Digital citizenship is really behaving responsibly online. It's thinking critically, acting responsibly, much of what we do in our everyday life, but in our online spaces.
And we're going to talk a little bit about how we can be an upstander when we see cyberbullying.
We have our Common Sense curriculum, which is K-12, and it is available to all of our schools, and our schools are utilizing it to help really set up some of those habits of mind that we want our students to have when they're in their online spaces. It's really important to understand that it's not just a skill set that they're grabbing, but it's, again, those habits of mind so that they can, when they're engaged in digital drama or any kind of circumstances, something that might seem unsafe, that they have those red flags going off and they know what to do and how to behave or respond to those instances.
Number one, reflect on the characteristics that make someone an upstanding digital citizen. 2, recognize activities of cyberbullying. And 3, show ways to be an upstander.
I think of it much like when we teach our children about how they engage with traffic. We start very young talking to them about how they need to look both ways and they become aware of their traffic. It's the same thing. We want this to be a habit of mind for them so that when they get older and things get more complex, they have those habits to fall back on.